What does it take to train over 10,000 employees across 300 locations in India? This leading life insurance company faced that exact challenge. They transitioned from outdated manual methods to automated video-based learning. The goal was to make safety training immersive, efficient, and accessible for everyone. Our experts crafted a solution tailored to their needs. Starting with real-time visuals from their premises, we designed interactive explainer videos. These videos featured everything from fire safety slogans to scenario-based animations. Each video was designed to educate and engage with clarity. The results were remarkable. They experienced higher engagement, better retention, and a 50% reduction in training time. Even more impressive, employee satisfaction improved by 56%. With Stratbeans, this life insurance leader transformed workforce learning. Are you ready to revolutionize your training? Visit www.stratbeans.com to learn more about our solutions.